Yeah, I'm on my way home. I'm no good for you, so I drive around Manhattan. They're all laughing, oh, I'm tragic. Yeah, I'm driving in my car and seeing open, but I can't go down that road again. I'll smoke a cigarette, but will that help me forget you? Will that help me forget you? I just need to forget you. Oh, you. I need to treat you better than that and make you feel like I did in the past. Oh, I will treat you better than that. I don't need to forget you. I need to treat you better than that and make you feel like I did in the past. Oh, I will treat you better than that. I don't need to forget you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nkem, and if this is your first time here on my channel, you're welcome. Today's video, I'm going to show you guys a tutorial on how I do my sew-in using a 2x6 closure with bundles. Okay, and the hair I'm using is from Ulahair. This is a package. The bundles and the closure came in, and alongside the bundles and the closure that was sent to me, they sent a pair of wig cap, a take home, and a pair of lashes, guys. Really cute lashes there. And this is a bundle straight from the pack. It is 100% raw Vietnam hair, guys. It comes in length 18, 20, and 22. And also it comes with a 2x6 closure. Okay, this is so sleek, it is really soft, guys. This hair is fine. Okay, for the sew in, I'm going to apply a bit of foundation on the closure before I place it on her hair and then sew it. So I'm going to place this at the middle. Just make sure that it is at the line where I want it to be. Okay, I don't want it to like go sideways, so I'm just taking my time placing it properly before sewing it in. I'm going to leave all details to this unit from Hula Hair in my description box for you guys. Also, I'm going to leave my discount code NK20. Use that discount code and save some extra cash while you're getting this unit from Hula Hair. And one thing with this 2x6 closure is that it's totally beginner friendly, very easy to work with and also manage. Okay, now if you're the type that does not like frontals or a 6x6 closure, please go for this. This is the perfect one for you. And also, guys, you can get this 2x6 closure and bundles in different textures. Okay, just check the link in my description box, so go to their site and see for yourself the different textures that they have. Also, it is 100% raw Vietnam hair, like I said before, which is quality. Okay, it's a quality hair at an affordable price. Okay, it's affordable to get.
It's all about how you were with my parents. Yeah, I changed their mind. Cause you were sweet and looking like you cared, boy. That was hard to find. I caught feelings, how could these feelings? I caught feelings, how could these feelings? I caught feelings, I caught feelings, how could these feelings? I caught feelings, I caught feelings, how could these feelings? Push me away, a daydream, it won't leave my mind. When I'm with you, yeah, nothing really matters. Don't need money or time. I got feelings, I got those feelings. I got feelings, I got those feelings. I got feelings.
To sew in these bundles, I'm going to start with the length 18 and then the length 20 before the 22. Okay, but you can do the 22, 20 and then 18, just how you want it to be. Okay, but I'm going for the 18 first before the 20 and then the 22.
Abrázame toda la noche, no nos queda mucho tiempo más. No quiero perder lo que queda. Seguimos siempre la pasión y confiamos solo en el amor. Yeah. No quiero perder lo que queda. Y más allá. A través de la gran oscuridad hasta que me convierta en rayos. Y más allá. A través de la gran oscuridad. Y más hasta que me convierta en rayos. Y más allá. A través de la gran oscuridad. Y más seremos miles, crecemos en número, en solo un trueno de horizontes, seremos miles, y más allá, a través de la gran oscuridad, hasta que me convierta en rayos, y más allá.
After sewing in the bundles, the next thing I'm going to do is straighten up the hair. I applied my serum and age protectant on the hair before straightening it up to give me that extra sleek, shiny look that I have here, guys. Okay, this unit is lush. This hair is too fine, guys. Okay, and I love how natural the pattern is. I love how it blends so well, making her look so gorgeous and beautiful in this unit, guys. Okay, this unit is definitely a must have, guys. I'm going to leave all details in my description box for you guys. Go grab this unit from ulahair and do not forget, use my discount code to save extra money. Okay, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
Yeah, I'm on my way home. I'm no good for you, so I drive around Manhattan. They're all laughing, oh, I'm tragic. Yeah, I'm driving.